If you need to close your PayPal account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section. On the website, this is usually found by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the app, you may find it in the menu. Step 3. Find the account closure option. In the settings menu, look for the option that mentions closing or deleting your account. This may be under a section labeled Account or Account Preferences. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Click on the option to close your account and follow the prompts provided. PayPal may ask you to confirm your decision and may provide information about any remaining balance or pending transactions. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After following the prompts, you will receive a confirmation that your account has been closed. Make sure to log out and check your email for any confirmation messages from PayPal. Once you have completed these steps, your PayPal account will be closed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support for assistance.